Hey guys, so I'm off to New York City with Anthony and we're going by ourselves, and I'm out of breath right now because I forgot my memory card, so I had to run back inside and get it. But I'm about to go to the train station, so see y'all there. Hi guys, so we're on the train right now with Ant. Say hi. Hi. I'm so excited. Finally at Grand Central Station. I'm so excited. Are you?
Yeah.
Excited. Finally at the Central Park Zoo. This is awesome. I haven't been here before, so this is gonna be really fun. He's drinking his water. Don't drink it all. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. Okay. So, alright, I just had an Ed moment right now.
My bucket cup.
This was attached.
It's got a penguin on it.
Right.
See? Huh? What? It's got penguin on it. Yeah, penguin.
Okay, it was attached right here. And I was leaning over to try and take a picture of the swans, and it dumped all over me and all over my face. I had to like wash off with water. But yeah.
I thought she was gonna blame me.
Nah.
Yeah.
Let's keep walking.
Alright, I'm gonna keep vlogging.
You like vlogging? You have to show them.
So this is my shoes. What? I gotta show myself?
Yeah, like that. That's how you vlog. Up more. There you go.
Why can't I be right here?
Because it won't show your whole face.
Yes, it will. This is Anthony's vlog 1. We at the Bronx Zoo, Central Park Zoo. We're vlogging. See you guys later. How do I stop it?
Red button. Sorry, we're about to go see Ace Age because we got. Hell yeah, he's gonna hate that one.
Dean, show him the poster. Found your movie, bro.
We're about to go see it because we got the total experience.
Total experience. Show me that. Show me that. Okay, we're going home.
This is not good.
Lizzie's got the hiccups. She's really hungry and cranky. So, yeah. Gotta be home soon.
I got the hiccups, and we're at Grand Central Station looking for something to eat because we're both really hungry and tired.
She's cranky, but the hiccups are taking away the crankiness. And her hiccups are adorable. You should keep your hiccups forever.
No, thank you.
Even cuter. So you want to go to Juniors? My wrist. Juniors. Juniors. I don't know. Let's go to Juniors.
Alright. Finally got some food. So hungry.
We even got pickles.
Huh?
We even got pickles.
Yeah, we got
a really good drink too.
Yeah. Got one of the sodas. This is our dinner. This is so big. I have no idea how I'm supposed to eat this. Oh, it's coming off the bun. And Aunt got the same thing, but with bacon and cheese.
And tomato and lettuce.
Yeah.
You got tomato and lettuce too?
Yeah, I did.
But you don't got cheese.
Nope. No cheese. Yeah. We're back home safe, guys. I don't know what Anthony's doing. He's making this weird noise.
What are you talking about? That's your radio.
What?
It's your radio.
No, it's not.
Look at your radio.
Stop. So anyways, we're back home. We're gonna watch the fireworks.
Don't consult to this.
It's been such a long
It's
day.
been a very long day.
And basically,
We're tired.
we're tired. And I just slept on the train.
She sleeps with her eyes open.
I don't think so.
I have a picture of her eyes open.
I don't think so.
It's creepy.
No. You snore too loud.
You snore louder.
Yeah, but you snore faster.
You sucking the sheets, the curtains.
Anyways, so
That's right.
I'll
That's
show
right. She has
you.
that's right.
I'll show you the. Stop. I'll show you the fireworks later.
Stop looking at me.
They like to look at you.
Who likes to look at me?
My vloggers.
Who is your vlogger?
My followers, my subscribers.
Oh, hi guys. What? Why are you still pointing at me?
That's dope. Hey guys, so I was just editing the vlog and I realized I never really ended this vlog, so just wanted to say that I had a really fun time and I definitely want to do it again, because it was just so much fun exploring the zoo and the park and just trying to figure out on our own how to get places, and it wasn't really that hard, so it was so much fun, and I can't wait to do it again and share it with y'all. And that's about it, so I'll see you guys later. Stay dope.